Hello guys. Fusion 360 video today. Just want to show you a way I like to work. Today's video is about construction planes. When you're working in Fusion 360, often you find yourself having to use construction planes to make sketches on different heights or levels. Now, construction planes can be resized if you click the corners like this, and I'm going to show you why that is really nice. So in this case, I have see, I'm just gonna enable all my models, show, and I'm gonna hide that one. So you can see here I have a lot of planes here, but usually I don't see them like this. I just keep them hidden. Like this. So normally when you want to see where a plane is, you can click and mark on it, and then you get to see that it lights up on the model itself at the level where you're going to use it. Like here, if I hold my mouse over it, you will see that it sort of lights up like that, and if you mark it, it looks like blue. But sometimes when you mark something and that mark is at the bottom or further up, it may get hidden by the model itself. So in this case, the plane is actually here, but it's hard to see it. So what can you do to fix this? Well, the easiest way to do this is to make a good habit out of just gonna close all of these there. So basically just make a habit of making the construction planes that you are working on bigger. So we'll just do this as an example. I'll just activate it, and then you can drag it. So the point here is make it bigger than the model itself. And then you can look at it from the front, and that's how it looks like when you look at it when it's active. But if you disable it, and again I will go and enable all the objects, so now you can see it here. But the thing now is that when I go and just mark this plane, it's so much more visible. I can do like this, and then you actually see better where is that plane, because it doesn't get hidden by the model itself. So you can go in and you can basically do that for every single plane that you're working with, to be able to see them easier when you are working on it. And the easiest way to do that is just activate them one by one, like this. And sometimes you're going to look at it from a different edge, so you can be like this. Here's a small one. You see it's inside the model itself. Again, it creates the construction plane in a way that is not easy to see. So you can see I haven't done this when I was working, so this is something I came up with now because I got kind of irritated with having to try and find the construction plane when I don't want them to be always visible. Because if you have them visible on the, if you have all of these visible, they will just be in the way for modeling. You see, this is really tiny. And the size of a construction plane doesn't matter for the modeling itself. Now, when I go and activate all of these again, except that one, show, and I can look at it from the front and just go down and say, okay, which one was I on? Here, 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 and here. And suddenly it's so much easier to actually go and try and find the construction plane that you're actually looking for. So I hope that was helpful. And oh, by the way, no hair. My wife was cutting my hair with scissors and she made a tiny mistake, and I corrected it to 0. Anyway, thanks for watching, and if you like these kind of videos, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.